It is the second day of November 2021. It's another fine moment that we are meeting here on Business Tuesday with me as your host, Chris OWINO. And today I'm going to hold court with one of the staff members of PENTA MABATI, who is going to take us through the brands and different brands that PENTA MABATI offer, as well as anything pertaining to PENTA MABATI. Welcome to Lolwe TV, Simon.
Thank you.
Maybe you can begin by telling our viewer who is Simon, the position that you hold in, as we progress.
Okay. My name is Simon Joe. I'm in finance department.
Yes.
Here at PENTA MABATI factory. Yes.
Yeah, so without much ado, just let's get straight into it. You can just tell our viewer, when did PENTA MABATI get into the field? Like, when was it established?
It was established back in 2018.
Yes.
Beginning of 2018.
Beginning of 2018.
Yes.
I know PENTA MABATI offer a variety of different products. How many products do you offer as we speak right now?
Currently we have 6 products. We have we group them under 3 categories.
Yes.
We have corrugated profile, we have box profile, and we have the tiles profile.
Yes.
Under the tiles profile, we have 4 different products. We have pro tile, we have long tile, quarter tile, and calf tile.
Yeah.
Yes.
So among the products that we just mentioned, which one is a customer's favorite from where you sit?
Okay, it will depend with the customers.
Yes.
We have 2 different categories. Okay, mostly for corrugated and box, you can say it's more of business, schools, child hospitals. But when it comes to tiles, it's more of a class. So it's divided into 2 categories, whether you're under tiles or box or corrugated.
Yeah. So PENTA MABATI, it's actually based in Kiambu. So other than Kiambu, do you have other offices in different parts of the country?
No, we don't have. We don't prefer having branches outside there, because we normally do free delivery countrywide. Whether in Mombasa, in Kisumu, Turkana, we shall deliver. Just make a call, we will deliver. So there's no need of the physical office.
So if I want to make an order pertaining to products of PENTA MABATI, regardless of where I am, I only need to make a phone call, then the products will be brought to my doorstep upon the clearance of the fee, that is.
Yes.
Right, so maybe you can just take us through the mode of payment.
Yes.
If I want to order for the products of PENTA MABATI, what's the mode of payment? Okay,
normally we have 2 different categories for customers. There are those customers, maybe they want to pay in other installment program, and they have the other one who are willing to pay upfront.
Yes.
So if you are the installment, we have a provision of 1 year. You can pay, just make a deposit, you open an account, you have a period of 1 year to make your payment.
So that's the grace period to clear your payment,
balance,
1 year.
Yes, once you have the last deposit, maybe after 8 months or 9 months, you make the delivery, you clear the balance on your site.
Maybe somebody who's watching you right now might ask, you're talking about installments, and you've also mentioned upfront fee. That is the money that you give before you start making the installments. What's the upfront fee for your products?
Minimum of 5,000.
Minimum of 5,000.
You shall open your account. Yes.
Oh, okay. Yes. So you've also mentioned something concerning the free delivery.
Yes.
I'm pretty sure that when you are in the process of making this free delivery to different parts of the country, there must be some of the bottlenecks and challenges that you face. Maybe you can just walk us through some of the challenges that you face when enacting this act of the free delivery.
Okay, free delivery comes with a cost, but you're there for the customers.
Yes.
So there are 1,000,001 for challenges. It depends on daily basis.
Yes.
For example, if you are making an upfront, you say you make a 50% deposit, assuming your order is 200,000. You pay 100,000, then the 100,000 balance you're supposed to pay once they deliver your goods. Now, sometimes you get a customer, you have delivered the good, the driver is not supposed to leave the site before you clear the balance.
Yes.
Assuming the customer on the site, you get the foodie. The owner of the MABATI is not allowed, somewhere in the office. So once you make a call, okay, give me 3 hours, I'll clear the balance, just leave the MABATI there.
Yes.
And the driver is under instructions. You cannot leave the site before the balance is cleared. Then again, come to maybe another different scenario when rainy season. The time is clear. We do free delivery to your site. 2 kilometers to your site.
You is unacceptable.
Exactly.
Yes.
And but at the other day, the customer insists, you promised free delivery to my site. I'm not going to clear the balance until I see I'm about to
my doorstep.
Yes. And again, the other issues we have is maybe, let's say, you want your delivery to be done to Kisumu, maybe Kisumu.
Yes.
Can we visit our office and say, my MABATI have been to deliver to Kisumu? But once the driver gets to Kisumu, you come to realize you have another 150 kilometers to make your delivery. So again, that's become another challenge, because once the driver is leaving the office, the dispatchment department collect the orders according to maybe the place where the order being delivered.
Yes.
So once you get, you have a provision for another 150 kilometers that was not put accounted in the office, become a challenge to the driver.
So in that scenario,
yes.
what happens when there's additional kilometers that was not envisaged in the by the time when the order was being made?
Okay, we stick to the customer. Customer is the king. We will deliver. You
deliver?
Yes.
So you don't demand any additional payment?
No. The only scenario we can maybe request for payment, assuming, okay, mostly when you're doing a free delivery, there's a provision. Your minimum order is 50,000.
Yes.
Let's say your order is 30,000. That's where now the issue of extra cost comes. We cost share the fuel.
All right. So still on the mode of payment.
Yes.
I'm in CI and I want to order for PENTA MABATI products.
Yes.
Perhaps can I pay via M-Pesa?
Yes. You don't have to come to our office.
Yes.
Just get the quotation from our salespersons. Once you're okay with the quotation, you make a deposit either by M-Pesa or we have an Equity Bank. Then from there, sit down, wait for the but within 22 hours, we shall make the delivery.
So via M-Pesa, maybe you've got pay bill or a till number?
Yes, we have a pay bill.
Yes.
And our pay bill number is 783140.
Yes. Yeah.
And the account name, just put your two names. Then make the deposit. Once you do that transaction, forward that text to the salesperson.
You've also mentioned something to do with Equity Bank.
Equity Bank, we also have the account.
Yeah.
Okay, that one I can share.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I know you've also not mentioned anything to do with the contacts. Maybe somebody who is in Migori, Homa Bay, or Siaya wants to contact PENTA MABATI and they even confirm or make any inquiry. Perhaps you've got contacts that you can share with our viewer who is watching right now?
Yes, you can reach us maybe at the three categories. We have you can visit our website. Yes. We have a Facebook page, PENTA MABATI Factory. And also you can call us either 0711 883399 or 0700 883399 or 0702 883399.
Are you also available in social media platforms?
Yes, Facebook can get us. Okay, mostly we specialize in Facebook. For Instagram and maybe Twitter, not that much. But
so
Facebook,
how can I trace you in Facebook?
Just like PENTA MABATI Factory, you see it. All the product there, all information required, you get that from that page. Right,
so if you just join us, this is Business Tuesday, and today we are delving into matters, products of the PENTA MABATI, and we are just speaking with one of the staff of PENTA MABATI, just highlighting and walking us through some of the products that they offer as PENTA MABATI. Simon, I know 2020 and 2019 has really been a pale shadow of different years because COVID-19 hit different, actually hit people in different ways. It affected people socially, politically, and economically. More so economically, as companies, I'm pretty sure you are one of the companies that were hit by the COVID-19. Maybe you can just explain to us, highlight to us, how were you hit by the COVID-19?
Okay, I can say it was not about among the best years you can say about, but again you cannot complain since it was something that hit everybody. But in terms of maybe you can say about the term of sales, the employees, you are hit.
You were hit.
Yeah, but what we did with our employees, we decided not to lay off some staff. So what we decided to do, maybe assuming, let's say sales department you have 10 persons, we divide 5 staff to 15 days, the rest they have 15 days instead of maybe laying off the staff.
So you didn't downsize like other companies are doing out here?
No, no.
In terms of sales wise, how did it pan out?
Sales wise, more than 45% were gone. Yes, it was so unfortunate, but again, it affected everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so maybe before we call it a wrap, is there any information pertaining to PENTA MABATI that you might want to convey to our viewer who is watching right now?
Yes, of course, yes. Mostly it comes to customer. At the end of the day, customer is the king.
Yeah.
And the main challenge you have with the other companies, not to mention names, some of the companies, not to mention names, the delivery time, then the product quality. That's something that we have invested heavily. If you promise it's 72 hours, you make sure it's 72 hours. Then again, when it comes to quality, you make sure our product is certified with KEBS. So we try to balance the two.
And you've mentioned a very important pillar, the issue of KEBS.
Yes.
Have you encountered this issue where some of your products are deemed to be substandard by KEBS?
No. Okay, we have invested so maybe 3,000 meters.
Yeah.
If roughly 2% can get, maybe there's some defects.
Yeah.
Less than 2%. But so on quality wise, I can tell you PENTA is among the best.
Among the best.
Yes.
So let me just ask, you actually said that you don't have branches countrywide.
Yes.
Perhaps what prompted the idea of not opening up branches in different parts of the country? Bye bye. Keep safe.